we are back in the van today, and I'm going to be showing you how I do laundry while living in a van with an eco-friendly product, Earthbuds. First of all, it's not the same scenario every time because of all the different places we go on the road. Sometimes it's at an RV park, sometimes it's at a friend's house, but most of the time it's at a laundromat. Alright, we've got our bag loaded here and we're about to head to the local laundromat. Love finding like cool themed laundromats and stuff. Like there was this one time that was like connected to an eatery and like a bar, and then this one, it looks kind of Western themed. It's nothing like too special, but you excited about checking out a little Western laundromat?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, let's do it. We stopped at a gas station to grab some foods real quick. Alright, and now we're at the laundromat. Thankfully, we have everything we need ready. We have all our clothes like in this bag, and then we have quarters ready, and we actually have it in all our spare change in this little like cute decor thing with our adventure fund. But I just went ahead and picked out all the quarters and put it into like an empty film canister thing, so we got all our quarters here. And last but not least, the sponsor of today's video, Earthbuds, our eco-friendly biodegradable laundry detergent that I'm really excited to try out today. And we're also doing a giveaway at the end, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's do this. These washer detergent sheets are earth-friendly, 100%, even down to the packaging. It takes away the need for plastic jugs, and we don't have a lot of storage in the van anyways, so I love that. 20 cents per sheet per load. You know, I like good budget stuff living on the road. And they come in easy to use, pre-measured sheets, so you don't have to worry about measuring in laundry detergent caps and all that. Sometimes we don't like waiting around at a laundromat for our clothes to dry, so we'll find a camp spot and hang our clothes there. So we're about to set it up. So we found out that this park is actually, there's a lot of history to it, and it used to be like an amusement park area right on the lake here. And we actually found a picture back in the 1920s that the lake was iced over, and nowadays this lake or any lakes around here don't ice over like that. This is one of my favorite t-shirts. Okay, so I have it all set up and ready to dry. They should be dried by the time the sun goes down, so that'll be good. Honestly, I love the smell of it. Like, it smells really natural and something I could definitely use like every time I do laundry. Earthbuds Eco Strips lighten your load on the environment. And now time for the giveaway. Earthbuds is giving away one of their products for anyone who subscribes to my channel, subscribes to Earthbuds' channel. There will be a link in the description below. And then anyone who comments anything they want and then hashtag Earthbuds at the end of this, the winner will be announced 1 week from now, and we'll message you directly in the comments, so have your notifications on. And that wraps up this video. Thank you guys for sticking along for the journey, and remember, live life doing what you love. Bye! Shawn, come here.
We are sailing.